Hello there, it's Lou St. George doing another video for you. Alright, so if you look at a bunch of our videos, a lot of them are larger renovations, complete interiors, complete exteriors, some big buildings, some commercial buildings. But people ask, do you do a typical Florida home like this? And the answer is yes. We're going to insert some older photos that we happen to have of this. And you'll see that this used to be a carport and not a garage, and we enclosed that into a garage. We replaced the windows. This used to be I guess a breezeway, or we'll call it a breezeway. And you know, we took care of that, permitted it, did all the structural stuff that needed to be done. And then the next evolution on this was to do the exterior, the landscape, and the driveway, and a screen enclosure in the back, so that people want to enjoy the outdoors. It's Florida, so that's what we do. We don't. If we do work in your big, beautiful luxury home, and you have family or friends that want to refer us to, we're not going to say no to something like this. We're happy to do it. All right, so now we're in the back of the place. I'll give you a quick story. So we did this, the new concrete slab and the screen enclosure back here. You can pan around. We had some issues doing this because this access is so narrow here that getting equipment through here, you have to take out dirt and do grading. It was kind of a nuisance. And when we were digging this, there used to be, I guess, an Australian pine back here that we didn't know about, and we had to get an excavator in here and dig. It looked like a meteor drop to get the thing out. It went down. We had to dig down 5 feet. The thing, I think, weighed over a ton. So we ran into some challenges. But anyway, if you pan around, you see how beautiful this backyard is now. It looks like it could be an outdoor living magazine. Got some beautiful gardens over there, really nice landscaping. So a lot of times, we're in Florida, people want to bring their lifestyle outside, especially in the winters here when it gets comfortable. And I think it's mission accomplished. I think this is close to 450 square feet, this screen enclosure. And we'll take a little look inside so you can see it. But it's a nice place that the owners love using now. So now we're going to take a quick peek inside the screen enclosure. This area is 450 square feet. And as you can see, there's plenty of space for this 6-person table over here. And I'm going to step over this way. You have a really nice sitting area that you could fit, I don't know how many people out, plenty. And then even behind it, there's a lot of area if you needed more for whatever reason, a dance floor. So this is a great way to enhance your outdoor living in Florida in the winter. I guess even in the summer, because you've got the screens and the bugs won't get you. And that concludes our tour, people.